Good day. Today I will discuss to you about the difference in procedural programming and object-oriented programming. So, in procedural programming, it can be defined as a programming model which is derived from the structured programming based upon the concept of calling a procedure. These procedures, also known as routines, subroutines, or functions, simply consist of series of computational steps to be carried out. Meanwhile, in object-oriented programming, it can be defined as a programming model which is based upon a concept called objects. Objects contains data in the form of attributes and code in the form of methods. In the object-oriented programming, computer programs are designed using a concept of object that interacts with the real world. So in procedural programming, the program is divided into small parts called function. Meanwhile, in object-oriented programming, the program is divided into small parts called objects. So in procedural programming, there is no access specifier in the procedural programming. And in the object-oriented programming, it has access specifier like private, public, protected, and etc. So, so to add up, adding new data and function in object-oriented programming is easy. Meanwhile, in procedural programming, adding new data and function is not easy. In data security, procedural programming does not have any proper way of hiding data, so it is less secure. Meanwhile, in object-oriented programming, it provides a data hiding, so it's more secure. The data is more secure. So we have here a sample code. This is one of the principle. This is one of the principle of OOP in Java. So wait lang po. So this code is one of the principle of an OOP. This contains the basic syntax in OOP, which is the classes we have here, the methods here, methods, our object, and instantiation. So if we run this, you can see here it printed Copal with, and the next line is rough. So to make that happen, we instantiated that dog Popol is our new dog, which is then we called a method here, Popol makes sounds. So since Popol is our new superclass, a superclass object, so it will check on the superclass, which is this, and it contained the method makes sound. So it printed roof. So that is all. Thank you.